Start. Sir, I have great opposition to the lease of the property, which is the property of the government of Goa. Stop. You may have some memorandum of understanding. Stop. But to pass on the entire land worth crores and crores of rupees under lease of 99 years to the central government makes no sense. Stop. I agree that today the practice is like this and it is not becoming an exception. Stop. It is a practice to give land on a lease, etc. Stop. But I would like to suggest that in such circumstances, the land should always be given on memorandum of understanding basis, and not on lease basis, because, once we give this land, the central government will not listen to the state government of Goa at all for any matter. Stop. Similarly, Mr. Manohar Parrikar knows, he wanted to give defense land under the Ministry of Defense to the central government, but the people opposed, the villagers opposed, and I don't think, they will again go there to ask for land. Stop. Acquisition of land in a small state like Goa makes no sense. Stop. If you want it on a temporary basis, I can understand it. Stop. But giving land to the Ministry of Defense to hold defense exposition in a small village in Goa makes no sense. Stop. Now, we will be establishing aims there, a lot of land will be required. Stop. Whose property will it be? Stop. Will it also be given on a lease? Stop. I think, there should a policy change in such matters. Stop. Otherwise, once we give land to the central government, there may be the government of any party at the center. Stop. Today, the government of the BJP is there at the center, tomorrow, it can be any other party. Stop. I am for giving land in favor of the state government. Stop. The state government should have control over that land. Stop. If you give it on a lease, you cease to have any control. Stop. Since Mr. Parrikar is there, I am mentioning this thing for his advantage. Stop. What has happened to land given to the airport? Stop. He knows very well. Stop. He have no control over that land. Stop. Not only this, two questions were asked by me about defense land, and 1.5 years back I have still not got the answer, in spite of Mr. Parrikar stating in writing that information would be collected and the same would be laid on the table of the house. Stop. 1.5 years have passed. Stop. There were two questions on the land held by the Defense Ministry, as also the quarters built by the Indian Navy on that land. Stop. There was no answer. Stop. This example I am giving because subsequently, you do not have any control over such things. Stop. Therefore, when you are going ahead with NIT, these aspects, the interest of the state government, and consequently, of the people of Goa, of the students of Goa will have to be considered, if this is done. Stop. If you do not allow the state government of Goa to have their say in these institutions, the central government will not listen to the state government at any time, stop, then we have to come to the HRD ministry, comma, we have to come to the education minister, comma, and plead before him, comma, but it will be difficult to accept certain propositions, stop, therefore, comma, I wish good luck to the NIT in Goa, comma, and I think, comma, it was a very wrong decision on your part to inaugurate it at the same time site where presently the institution is being run, which is something hurting for us, stop, para. The National Institutes of Technology Bill will create a group of premier public engineering institutes in India, stop. These institutes of national importance have received special recognition and funding from the union government, stop, Tamil Nadu, comma, under the dynamic leadership of our leader, comma, has now gone well beyond achieving 25% as the gross enrollment ratio in higher education, comma, which is a record, comma, because in India, comma, the average gross enrollment ratio, comma, as per the MHRD records, comma, is 23%, stop. So, comma, comparatively, comma, the main focus is educating women, comma, giving them more powers, comma, giving them more sources of employment, comma, giving them opportunities to stand on their own legs, comma, and also giving them empowerment in education, comma, being economically independent and educationally forward, stop. Also, comma, the main focus is uplift of the rural people by educating them and employing them in the best source, stop. Also, comma, the main focus is on upliftment of rural people by educating and empowering them in the best way, stop. So, comma, she has given wonderful schemes, comma, especially for the girls who are opting for higher education, stop. They are given free laptops when they finish 12th standard, stop. That is why the gross enrollment ratio has gone up, stop. So, comma, that is the main motive, and she has given so many schemes which has made more students to join higher education, stop. On their inception decades ago, comma, all these NITs were popularly known as regional engineering colleges, stop. One of which, comma, as you know, comma, is in Tiruchi, stop. It has produced wonderful engineers, comma, very popular ones, and they have occupied top positions in the government and elsewhere in the world, comma, and also in the public and private companies, stop. There are numerous problems with education and especially higher education in our country, comma, but we have to understand that there are different problems in different states and in different parts of our country, stop. Para. Sir, comma, the then, comma, HRD minister decided to upgrade all regional engineering colleges to National Institutes of Technology, stop. The upgrade was designed along the lines of the prestigious Indian Institutes of Technology, stop. NITs were founded to promote regional diversity and multicultural understanding in India, comma, comprising 31 autonomous institutes, stop. In 2007, comma, the government of India declared these schools as institutes of national importance, stop. The NIT Council is the supreme governing body of India's 31 national institutes of technology, stop. Admission to the undergraduate course, is through joint entrance examination means stop.